Alright guys, we're out here with the, I have to read the card again, the Yizhan I3h. It's a beauty. Okay, I did the little indoor flight on it yesterday, so let's check it out. Let's get the third rate going. Look at that pitch on that thing. Look at that. Watch it, watch it. Look at that. Look at the pitch on that thing. That is crazy. Let's check the punch out speed. Put the high rate back in there. I'll put the flight time in. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, for what it is. This thing was really cheap, guys. I'll put a link in there and you can see. I'm pretty sure it was pretty cheap. I still have my Banggood link. I'll pop it in there. It's very stable. Yeah, it doesn't move at all. You set it down there. It's got the position altitude hold, the air position altitude hold, but it holds pretty stable. I mean, they're always going to drift a little bit. You know, you're never going to get around that because it doesn't have any optical flow. But flies great, man. This thing really flies nice, man. It'd be really easy to learn on this thing. Because you got them good prop guards on there too, you know, so that will protect you from mucking around with it. This is in the second rate now. I turned it down. I'll kick it up to the third rate in a minute. There it goes. Yeah, it's got that little light on the front there to give you some direction. That's about the only way you can tell is that light, but it's pretty visible, even in the daylight out here. That little red light, so that's a good thing. At least you can tell your orientation. Plus, you got the wires back there, you know. Yeah, that pitch is incredible on this thing. I'm just burning down the battery, boys. But you see how nice it flies and how nice it handles, right? I mean, this thing flies like a dream. Seriously. Wow. Very impressive. So you gotta take it out a couple, I think it's 225. I'm just gonna take it straight out there to that, I don't know if I can see the shadow on it. See if I start losing any bind on it. No. No. Okay. It's got a pretty decent range. Yeah. There's no lag. I'm not getting any dropouts or anything. Comes down slow. The descent speed's real slow. I think the battery might be getting ready to go. It just doesn't seem to be as fast as it was going. Yeah, guys, I recommend getting this thing. Heck yeah. There's a little farting around in the backyard deal. Now, you know, it don't have a camera or anything, but, you know, even if it did, the video would be crap. It would be turd video, okay? They have the FPV model, the one that comes with the little screen, but that's probably in your $49 range for that one. I think that light's flashing on there. Let me see. Yeah, it is. Yeah, the light's flashing on there. See? Low battery. Oh, there it comes, coming down on its own. Get out of the grass. All right, no big deal. Hate that sand in there. Now I have to go get the damn blaster out and blast it. I'll tell you what, man. Guys, this thing flies like a dream. No doubt. All right, boys. Have a nice day.